Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. Today, we're doing the daily dash. Gonna go get an order done. It is already 4:20, so we don't have very much daylight left in the day. I had some friends come over today. We moved the trampolines into a different positioning. I'll insert a clip right here so you can see what I'm talking about. But the trampolines are both facing the long ways now, so kind of just opens up to like new tricks and things that you can do. But that's what we've basically been doing for the last couple hours. And then the UFC was on. Max Holloway faced Calvin Kattar or Cater, whatever last name is. Dope performance. Like Max literally was pulling the Matrix and stuff. Like Max is definitely one of my favorite fighters to watch. Question of the day for my audience while we're on this topic. If you guys watch the UFC, who is your favorite fighter to watch? And if you don't say Tony Ferguson, I'm gonna block you. No, I'm just kidding. So let me know in the comments down below who your guys' favorite person to watch is, or maybe if it's a boxer and you don't watch UFC or something, let me know in the comments down below. I'm like obviously a pretty huge fight fan, so anytime the UFC is on, I do not miss it. But we are right now, to switch gears, we're going into the southeast area of Vegas to get some door dashing done. Just kind of want to make like 50 bucks real quick because it is Saturday, which means good day to make a few extra dollars, and I really don't have anything else going on today, so might as well. It's always random when I see people just walking down the side of the road and there's nothing around us. Anyways, all right, so ooh, it's $1 up everywhere right now. Oops, I accidentally clicked on something. Check that out. Bam, gonna make some good money. Maybe I'll make like 100 bucks today. I can go all the way till 8:30, so I got a 4.5 hour dash. So we're gonna do a marathon video today, guys. We're gonna do a 4-hour video. I'm just kidding. I'll probably do like a normal one. Anyways, all right. Get back to you guys in a second. Drive over to the outlet mall. Oh. All right, so just got to the outlet mall. Pulled something kind of dumb. I accidentally accepted an order for $4. So the order came in, and I'm a little scatterbrained right now. The order came in and I wanted to record me turning down the order, and I actually pressed accept, but I'm not gonna do this order. I'm sorry, guy that wants to give me $4. Mankey, sorry, Mankey, not doing your order for $4 from Dairy Queen. All right, so anyways, today I kind of want to give out a few tips on how to lose weight for anyone who is like looking to lose weight. I just want to help anyone out with any random tips that I got. I was a personal trainer for like 6 years and have been like performing my whole life. So one of the things that I want to do, or I do when I want to lose weight, which I go up and down in weight a lot. I go up to about 180 during the winter time when I'm not like performing or anything like that. Kind of like to put on a little bit of muscle. And then during the summertime or so, I drop down to about like 165 or so. So that's usually about the weight range that I bounce up and down throughout the year, but mostly wintertime up around 180. So what I do when I do want to lose weight, so what I'll do is intermittent fasting. I won't eat until 2 o'clock, and first thing in the morning when I wake up, I will take like pre-workout. With the pre-workout, I have creatine, and I'm gonna do like a quick like cardio, not really cardio though, like I'm not running on a treadmill as most people would think. I'm doing a bunch of different weight lifts. Like I'll do deadlifts and I'll do shoulder scaptions, my favorite ones. That looks dumb. Shoulder scaptions, and I'll do some curls, bench press, lat pull downs, and I'll just get a full body workout. Just do a quick light routine of everything, get my whole body flowing, get my blood flowing, and that's it. It'll be a quick workout, lasts like 20 minutes or so, and then I'm done. And then I'll usually go home and I'll work and stuff. And then around 2 o'clock when it's time to eat the first meal of the day, I will, oh my God, look at this order. Hold on. Bam! That's a good way to start the day. Mr. Beast Burger. Never been there before, but $14 for, I didn't even see the mileage. I need to see it. It was so good. Anyways, okay. So continue on what I was going to say. You want to eat around, well, you don't have to. I'm just giving you my advice on how I do this. So I'm going to eat around 3 or 4 or so. Well, 2, I'm going to eat like a quick meal, like just a snack or something. You don't want to like overload your system right in the first meal of the day. I'm going to eat like a quick snack, and then later I'm going to eat like a heavier meal around 3, I kind of like build up. It'll be like, first one will be like usually like just some like almonds and like maybe eggs or something like that. Something without carbohydrates, basically. I'm just gonna eat like fats and proteins. So try to stay away from the carbs first meal because I'm not working out until later in the day. And then I'm gonna have a bigger meal around probably 4 or so, and that is going to contain like sweet potatoes and like, it's not gonna always contain that, but just like vegetables and higher carbohydrate vegetables. And you know, if I was gonna eat like a shitty meal, that's when it would be around. Because then I'm gonna go to the gym around 5 or 6, usually about an hour and a half. I try to time my meals an hour and a half so that way everything's digesting through your system while you are working out. You're gonna feel a lot more powerful that way. And then I'll probably eat like a small meal after that, but I'm gonna cut out the carbohydrates, no carbs in that meal. And that one's gonna be like a pretty small one, you know, just like a 4-ounce steak with like a salad or something like that. And so those are just a few tips for you guys on how to lose weight. Another thing that's super crucial, there's so many things that are crucial, but water, of course, you gotta drink. Like the more water you drink, the quicker weight is gonna come off. And that's just a fact. And I'm gonna get off of this diet topic because I could talk about this for days. Let's go get this Mr. Beast burger. Yo, but real quick, check out these boxing gloves Tony gave me. These things are freaking sweet. They're by RDX. I was using them earlier today at the martial arts class I was taking. We're doing like a combat class. That way I could eventually keep up with Tony. That is the goal, not to get my ass kicked every time I go over there. All right, driving over to the Mr. Beast. This group right here is it's just very curious. I'm very confused on what they're doing over there. It's just like a weird group, you know? You don't normally just see like groups of 40 people just standing on the sidewalk outside of the mall. Kind of weird. Who knows though? Oh, and we got some cops up here. All right, there's probably an event going on at the mall, which is unfortunate because it's going to be very hard to find parking if there's no parking. Well, duh, okay. I say some dumb stuff sometimes. Yeah, so this is totally a shit show. There is a lot of people in the mall. Might have reconsidered. No, I wouldn't have reconsidered. This order is like $14 for like 8 miles or something. Probably less than that, I think. I didn't even look at it. I saw $14 and I was like, bam! We're taking this order. Alright, I'm gonna look for parking. Let's do this. California pizza chicken. Damn it, I was just talking about this the other day. So, Mr. Beast Burger is literally inside of Brio Tuscan Grill. I was looking everywhere.
Is a virtual restaurant.
Oops, I am on the phone with them. I hate these virtual restaurant things. I don't know why they do that. It's like this separate Doordash identity or something. But it's called Mr. Beast Burger and it's actually in the Brio Tuscan Grill. Kind of annoying, you know? I was driving around this mall for a couple minutes like, where the heck is this place? And then I look where I called them and it says, look at your map or look at your Dash app and it'll give you directions. And I'm like, oh my god, I've been driving in circles around this thing. Anyways, alright, the struggle is real, but it's a $14 order. It's essentially like a perfect order because it takes me right back to my house. Alright, we got the order. I look like a bandit. I actually forgot my normal mask because I was washing it right before this because they make you wear the freaking masks during the martial arts classes, which is the most ridiculous thing ever because we're literally like breathing all over each other anyways. So it's like, come on now. Why is this a law? Anyways, but basically the whole entire time like we're fighting, we're literally just like dripping sweat onto this like essentially rag that we have covering our face. It's so dumb. Okay, but anyways, just got this Mr. Beast order. Another restaurant in disguise. That's I feel like that's like a new like thing going on now. I've been getting all these restaurants in disguise. Alright, so we are pulling out of the mall. I'm gonna keep this thing on because it's actually way more like comfy to keep on than like a mask around your you know, around your chin. But yeah, this is essentially like a perfect order because I forgot a drink that was not a shot of my cup holder. That's a shot of my, I don't know. Anyways, I'm trying today. I'm struggling because I'm super tired. Martial arts bleh, martial arts class kicked my butt. But anyways, these guys joggers are pretty sweet. If you guys haven't yet, use my discount code OFFAXISTANNER for 30% off your joggers. They're going to be about 20 bucks. They are super comfortable, great for working out, and they're just super flexible and stretchy. Whenever I'm looking for pants, or especially like obviously designing pants, the first thing that I'm trying to like look for is like the most stretchy material. And I just feel like the stretch is like the most important part. And also we have these shirts too. I'm just shouting out all these random things that we just put on our website. But the shirts are sweet because they're actually the long cut. So when you raise your arms, which I do all the time when I'm like flipping around and stuff, when you raise your arms, your stomach, like your belly button, doesn't show. That is the most annoying thing in the world for me, is your belly button showing when you like do a flip or something. It's like, ooh, and then your shirt comes all the way up. Super dumb. But that's why we got the long cut tees. They are just like super clutch. So I picked up the order and then I drove away, and now it won't let me complete the pickup. And I gotta do this I need help thing. So hopefully they allow me to, oh my god. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna have to call customer service because they will not allow me to pick up the order, and I already picked it up. This is me being dumb. Sometimes when I know where it is, because obviously I'm delivering by my house, so I just like grab it and drive away because I know where I'm going exactly. Alright, be right back.
English.
See how long this call takes.
Gracias por llamar a Doordash.
Doordash.
Please listen carefully as our menu options may have changed.
They have pretty good customer service
If
though.
you are a customer, please press 1. If you are an active dasher, please hold while we retrieve your details.
They're definitely, DoorDash is so much better than Postmates when it comes to customer
Please
service.
listen
That is
carefully as our
for
menu options may
sure.
have changed.
Because I can get on it with a person in a couple minutes. Let's see how long it takes.
Tanner, I'm speaking with Tanner, right?
Yes, this is Tanner.
Alright.
Thank you. Alright. So, they finally did it. They made me like call, or they had to call the restaurant and let them know or something. That's so weird that they had to get the approval that I picked it up, because I just don't understand why I would lie about that. Anyway, so we are on the way back, but unfortunately we are running out of sunlight. Look at that beautiful sunset right there. Like, look at that. I don't know if I can, but because this is Las Vegas Boulevard. It's too blurry. Anyways, this is a horrible idea to be doing while I'm driving. Guys, don't be scared. I'm a good driver. Anyway, so I gotta get going because it's already dark. We're about to lose all lighting. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you guys have not yet, please. And make sure you smash the like button. Greatly helps out my channel quite a bit. If you guys haven't yet, check out our merch at offaxisacrobatics.com. We got the best footwear in the game. Also the softest joggers in the world too. We also got yoga sets coming up pretty soon. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. Peace.